Have you ever found that training your AI voice agent, you just can't get it right, you just can't get it perfect? There's always these little ifs and buts and bugs in there that's stopping it from being an amazing agent, whether it be AI voice agent or conversational AI. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can supercharge your AI agent so this doesn't happen again by using the knowledge base and what hacks you can use the knowledge base for. This is High Level Mastery, Jordan. Let's get into it.
All right, so we're going to go right into knowledge bases by going to AI agents and knowledge base here. And we're going to create a new knowledge base. So name it whatever you want. Let's say, I don't know, website or info or FAQs, whatever's relevant. It's terrible. Let's go. Now, there's a few ways that you're going to want to be training your knowledge base here. So just to summarize everything we're about to do. Your AI agent, whether it be conversational, whether it be an AI voice agent, needs a knowledge base. It doesn't necessarily need a knowledge base. You can create the goals and the prompts and the system prompts, and you can have it functional, right, and doing its thing. But if you don't create a sick knowledge base, it's not going to be a sick agent. So, web crawler, that is straightforward. You jump in, click into web crawler. Now, this is really important. I always do all URLs in this domain, right? And then I'll type in my website, lettermo.com.au. This is my business, and I'll get it to go ahead and extract the information from all my pages. Because if you don't, it's only going to take it from the first homepage. And you might have all this information and services and FAQs and whatever in other pages, and it's just not going to pick it up. So, really important tip there. Make sure you do that. Okay, now, if you've got like a bunch of instructions, let's say you've gone to ChatGPT, right, and you've gone, let's just go hardcore, right? Let's just go um, create a very large knowledge base for my AI agent. This is in relation to my mowing business. We service Melton and Bacchus Marsh and Belen. We have a ride-on mower, push mower, a couple of chainsaws. We just do mow and trim though, with grass clipping takings. We've got a trailer and all that as well. We charge $100 an hour, and the first thing can be $100 off. I want you to create a massive knowledge base for all the possible questions and scenarios that customers may have. Okay, so I've just spoken into this AI agent. Now, this is just without any prompting, right? This is just being stupid, but I'm just going to show you an example of what I mean. Yes, I'm in England at the moment, believe it or not. My wife's English, hence the bad microphone and the wallpaper. Okay, so it's doing its thing. It's creating a knowledge base, right? Cool. Two ways you can feed this knowledge base into the knowledge base here. You can create a Google Docs, right? So you go doc.new, and you'll be able to copy and paste all that information, save this file somewhere, and give the link, right? You go share link, right? Let's just do the thing real quick. Yep. So copy the link, and you'll be able to feed it that, and it'll read everything off that Google Doc. Now, if that's a messy way to do it, as long as you're good at file storage in Google Docs, you won't have an issue. But if you want to do it a clean way, you can jump into the actual sub account and create a quick website by just one page, drop and drag the text. And this is a sick little hack. So we're going to go, you can either go funnels or websites. We go new funnel, we go from blank. Yep. We go knowledge base. I'm just going to go KB. Cool. And I'm going to need to write it again. I'm pretty sure. Let's let it do its thing. Yeah, add news there. Go KB, JB, KB. Create from blank. All right. And we're going to go to the plus button here, and we're just going to go like drop and drag text, like paragraph text, put it there. And this is where you're going to copy and paste all that knowledge base. So let's go down here. Look, it's done all this text. Look, it's still going far out. Copy, paste, right. Oh, there we go, back on the website. Boom. And we just go save. And then like take the actual link here and feed that into the knowledge base. And then you are done training your knowledge base. How amazing is that? So let's go back to AI agents. We go to knowledge base over here, and the one that we were just doing, which was this one here. Let's go to web crawler and then add source, web crawler. Come on, mate. Come on, mate. All right, so here we put it in there and it'll extract the data. Now, the beauty of this is it's coming from a website. That's great. You're storing it in the sub account, so you're not going to lose it and you're going to be able to refine it or whatever you need to do. But the knowledge base will be all within the same sub account. So you can go ahead and do that, and that will quickly train your AI agent. Obviously, I like to use ChatGPT to help me train agents once I give it the right context. You can add FAQs in here. You can go and experiment with tables and rich text and file uploads if you want. But I always just use the web crawler for the website and for any additional information. So that is how you train your knowledge base. So when you go ahead and create your agent, let's go conversational AI, create your first thing. You're going to want to link that knowledge base, right? So test. Go over here, primary. Yep, cool. No worries. Happy days. Name. Yep. Continue. It's not going to let me. Is it? Yes, it will. Okay, cool. And we're going to add the knowledge base in bot training, and you can see right there is the knowledge base. We are done. Boom. That is how you train your AI agent, supercharge your AI agent with the right information for its knowledge base. So that's it for this video. If you are new to High Level and you have any questions, feel free to reach out for free. I also have a free 30-day trial for High Level, not 14 days like High Level offers other people. 30 days. So feel free to use my link. It's an affiliate link, so I get a commission from High Level. But I'll be happy to guide you through onboarding and setting up and starting and all that because I have gone through the pain and I know a couple of tricks, especially if you're in Australia. So feel free to reach out. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye for now.